So hi everyone and welcome back. In this use case, we'll be talking about combining the elements for multimedia projects. Now let's explore combining the music, sound effects and voiceovers for multimedia projects. This holistic approach can elevate your presentations, videos or digital content to a new level. This integrated approach allows for a cohesive and engaging multimedia experience, showcasing the power of AI in creative projects. Previously, we have seen creating the sound effects, the voiceovers, and the music. In this, we are going to combine them with the help of a video editing software. There are multiple video editing softwares which are available, but just for the reference I will be using Wondershare Filmora. That you can again download it from the browser. So let's first of all go to the browser and let's create the music, sound effects and voiceovers. So I'm going to take an instance in order to create a music, background music, and for that we are using stable audio. Let's suppose here I'll be writing create the background music that's uplifting. So let me generate that. So we have to wait for a few seconds so that it generates and then convert it, and then we will be able to download it, right? So as we can see that it is still taking some time. So it has generated this, configuring the last few steps. Finally it is converting it, and here we can see that approximately a 3-minute this music consists of uplifting has been created. So let me click on the run and check the music for a bit more clarity that it has generated according to the prompt. So let's see that it is still running. We shall wait for a few seconds and it will generate. Okay, so till then we can create the voiceovers and sound effects too, right? So we have seen this flicky tool already. So let's create the voiceovers for the same. So I want to create a new file, audio. I'm just giving the name of voice underscore new. It is asking that which language you want to select or the prompt. Yes, we can give that. Okay, an idea that prompt I want to do. It is asking for to select the language. I think it is still taking some time to load it. So let me first refresh and click on create new audio. So this has also generated. I think it sounds perfect. So let me download this in the form of MP3, and here we see it has downloaded this. So we got our one part. So this is the second part, voiceover. So I'm just giving here name voice 2 English, this dialect idea we are going to give, and we have to give the prompt here, right? So the idea of prompting I would like to give here is, let me say I want it to generate a voice over announcing an award ceremony, right? So I click on submit, it start processing, it will again take few seconds. So we have to wait for the same. It is going to generate this for a 1 minute. As you can see that it has generated the video scenes with all these things. So will looks perfect to me as per the requirement. So I'll click on download this. I'll say start export in the form of MP3. Obviously we are satisfied with this export. I'll click on that. It will start processing and will again take few seconds once the download is ready. After this we also want the third thing, which is the sound effect, and I hope you remember we see this myedit.online audio data with which we can generate that. So audio tool, sound effects generator, so generate the sound effects, and here again we have to give the prompt, right? You can also look for them in order to download the sound effects which are there, right? But here we can also give the prompt from our side, right? And let's suppose I wanted to generate a sound effect of people clapping, right? Okay, so let me click on generate sound effect. Till then again I'll see Flicky. Yes, it has created that. So I wanted to download this, so we have been able to download this voice too. So we got our second part also. So here it created that. So let me check this one, that I got the sound effect of people clapping or not. Okay, so it doesn't seem similar. Let me try this one. Looks that we got the clapping, right? So if you want more, yes, that if doesn't it should to be according to the requirement, yes, you can again give that and you can download it from there, and see we have been able to download the three parts now, right? Now it's time to combine them. For that I am using here the Wondershare Filmora, right? Wondershare Filmora. So this is a tool which I have downloaded from the internet. You can just go to the Google and type there Filmora 9 and you will be able to download that. This is the previous version. There are many other tools which are available also, right? So here it will give you the space where you can add your clips. So let me say I want to add a clip here. So I'll just added a single slide which I want to create it for my video. Just a welcome. This is just an example. You can try it for any other example too, right? Okay, so I can extend this also, the length of this, right, as per our requirement, and so on. So this I've created for 5 seconds, and I also want to add the audios which I have downloaded it. So I'm clicking on this audio here, which is the default audio coming here. If I'll click on media and I want to import more, so I'll click on import media files, and these are the three which I have downloaded it. The one voiceover, background music, and sound effect. So I'm adding here, right? So if I want to add the voice over here, so I will click on this plus here, and you see it got added here, right? But I think it has added some other place. So what I'll do, I'll just first of all delete it from there, and I'll click here in the very beginning, right? Because here we have to add it. So I'll click plus here voice, and you see it has now been added, but a bit long. So yes, no worries, it's customizable, so we can decrease the length of this audio, right, by extracting that. Okay, so I require of only 5 seconds, so I will do only for the same. Okay, so this is, so we have added the audio to this clip that we want to create, right? This is the video editing software. Yes, you can add the video also, no problem with that. So this is the another that clapping we have. So you want to add this also, yes, you can even drag it here. Okay, that's totally fine. Okay, so you can see here it has got added, and yes, again you will be able to get it a bit less here. And you want to create a background music, yes, you can again click and drag it there. Okay, so at any place you want it, that's fine. You wanted some specific part of the audio video or your frame, that's also perfectly fine, no worries with that. Okay, so now we wanted to decrease the length of the same. Yes, we can again do that, there is no confusion with the same, and you will be able to drag it, right? Okay, as per the requirement. So we want it of only 5 seconds, that's why I'm dragging it, so that will get it extend up to only 5 seconds. We do not want to get it for multiple frames, right? And you are able to see here we are more approximately done, and all the 3 videos I've added. You can add it for multiple frames also, that's totally fine. So let me just run it now and see.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand celebration of excellence. Tonight, we honor...
And you see here, it has perfectly added. So in my video, instead of creating from my side the voiceover, the music and sound effect, I've created or generated through the AI and just embedding in my video software. So this is really powerful, right? Okay, so I hope in this you have seen that with the help of this example we use all these tools in order to generate these each element separately, and then we have combined in a video editing software, right? So I hope we are clear with this example. And as we conclude our session, remember that the world of generative AI and prompt engineering is vast and full of creative potential. Whether you are a student, professional, or a hobbyist, these tools and techniques can enhance your projects in unique and innovative ways. Experiment with different prompts, explore various AI tools, and most importantly, let your creativity lead the way. So thank you for joining the session, and I encourage you to continue exploring the possibilities of AI in your field.